How to turn off or turn on show status bar on UC browser. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to UC browser. Now as you can see, this is the home page. All what you have to do is simple. Go here and click on those three lines. Now click on the setting option icon. Now on this page you will find many options. As you can see, all what you have to do is just choose the second one, click on browsing settings. Now after you click on browsing settings, it will take you here. Scroll down like this until you find show status bar. Now from here you can enable it or disable it as you want. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later. Thank you so much.